What's up and welcome to the new video. Today we want to talk about variables in C, and we use variables in C in order to store values. And today we want to talk about 4 data types. So we want to talk about the integer, and the integer is this is the keyword. It's int, and after the int keyword we choose a name for the variable. So let's call it int variable, like that. And the value you want to store in this variable is 5. So here we created the variable int variable. That's the name of the variable, and its data type is integer. In this variable we stored the value 5. So let's say here we created a variable int variable. It stores the value 5. So the reason why this works here is because this is from Visual Studio. Normally this doesn't work. So if we do comment like that, so for example here and there, you see this doesn't work, but Visual Studio recognized this as a single line comment, so that's the reason why this works here. There's another data type which is called char. So we can use the char data type in order to store characters. And let's call it char variable. And let's give it a value. So which value, or how do we give a char variable value? We write single quotes, and in this quotes we give it a letter. So for example, let's say A. We can also give it B or C, that doesn't matter, but let's give it an A. And here we stored the value A in the char variable, or in the variable char variable. There are 2 extra data types, so let's make sure we also make use of them. There's float, and here we can say float variable, and we can give it the value. We can give it a value of floating point number. So let's give it the value 5.5. And because we use a float variable here, we will also want to make sure that we write an f here. And here we store a floating point number in the variable float variable. Okay, but here it doesn't work for some reason, or no, it works. Okay, and we have the double. So double variable equals, let's say, 10.5. Can also use, so let's say 10.33. And here we store a double in the variable double variable. And that's the 4 data types you have to know for now. So these are the elementary data types in C programming language. It's int, char, float, double. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see us in the next video. Have fun.